2020, 2021 tak, I was a very unhappy person, honestly, because I had no confidence. I had no confidence because career was not going fine. I was a new mom. My face had broken out more than ever. And then, to top it all, COVID came. So we were all isolated. And then, along with COVID, came an influx of lot of actives. All the retinols, vitamin C, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, ceramides. If you remember, all of this came around 2020, 2021. COVID, sitting at home, career going nowhere, new mom, frustration at its peak. I bought all those actives. I was anyway tired of the way I looked. I didn't look good. Besides, like everybody else, I also had gained weight during my pregnancy. I had gained 30 kilos. It was disastrous in every way. And I really thought that all these actives that I'm buying will be the answer to my solution. And my already sensitized skin, because I was already somebody who had acne, already somebody who was struggling with a lot of things internally. I used these actives and they damaged my barrier. And how? I cannot tell you. It was disastrous. It was the worst thing I've ever done for my skin and for my self-esteem. And I did not know what was wrong. My skin was at its worst. My mental space, headspace was at its worst. COVID, I did not know what to do. I wouldn't go out anywhere. And then COVID went, but my insecurities went nowhere. COVID really left me in shambles. And then suddenly one day, while I was, crying and so upset about my state, and I didn't want to go anywhere, I didn't want to meet anybody. In fact, I was very happy that COVID was there, because at least that way I could wear a mask and step out, And अब COVID चला गया, अब मैं किसके पीछे छुपूं? And then suddenly one day, like eureka moment, मुझे realize हुआ that I am a skin and tissue regeneration scientist. And I also know a lot about skin and healing. And that's when my journey began. I started developing these formulations for myself. And I cannot tell you, it was a long journey. It did not, happen overnight. I did not get the skin that I have now overnight. It took about 2 to 3 years. But now I really don't do any skincare. And I've really been so grateful for मेरे दिमाग की बत्ती जो एक दिन जल गई. Thank God for that. अगर नहीं जलती तो मैं अभी भी I would have been in that vicious, that whole loop, the vicious cycle wherein मैं बस खरीदते रहती, लगाते रहती, and the root cause would have never been analyzed. The root cause was barrier dysfunction, barrier damage, barrier sensitization. I fixed my barrier. I resorted to very basic regime which would, be recognized by my body, which is also called biomimetics, which I am an expert of, जो मुझे समझने के लिए इतने साल लगे कि मुझे भी आता है. Sometimes, we know what's right for us, बस हम भूल जाते हैं. I'm here to remind you. I'm here to remind you that what our nannies and dadis told us, what our mothers told us. Nani, dadi, to theek hai. It is possible that, we might have forgotten because it was such a long time ago. But our mothers, like, why do we not listen to them? Why do we forget that simple is always the answer? Less is always more. Jitna ho sake, we should stay away from artificials. We should stay away from synthetics. We should really focus on our gut health. Everything starts from the gut. You have to fix your gut. If your gut is fixed, your hormones will be fixed. If your hormones are fixed, your mind is fixed. If your mind is fixed, you will be happy. You will be confident. And if you're confident, if you're happy, skin will fix itself on its own. See, our skin is our largest organ. Our skin does not need so much interference. Our skin only needs basic support. And that too because of our lifestyle. See, our nani dadi ka zamana, they did not need even so much of an external support in the name of face washes and, deep cleansing or a good hydrating moisturizer. They would apply nariyal tel and it would be fine. Because they did not suffer from the kind of chronic stress that we go through. Our lifestyles are such. We do enjoy our junk food and our Coke once in a while. Pollution. The things that the environment that we live in today, our nannies and dadis didn't live in this environment. तो उन्हें बिल्कुल भी किसी चीज़ की ज़रूरत नहीं थी. But, we apply sunscreen, we wear makeup, there's pollution, there's dust, there's particulate matter. All of that shows, okay, our hormonal cycles have been disrupted. जब हमारे hormonal cycles disrupt हो जाते हैं, especially for women, the periods, they, the androgen levels, they peak. तो androgen level अगर peak कर जाएगा, so a lot of oil production, excessive oil production. In fact, if you must have noticed that, when you're about to get your cycle, your periods, you break out around the jawline more. And this is like a never-ending circle. ये कभी ख़त्म ही नहीं होता because वो acne आती है, जब तक वो जारी होती है तब तक नेक्स्ट पीरियड्स का टाइम आ जाता है. सो द की इज़ वो जब एंड्रोजन स्पीक करते हैं ऑन विच यू हैव नो कंट्रोल, बट इफ़ यू फिक्स योर गट you can regulate the hormones, you can regulate the peaking of the hormones, and अगर आप अपने pores को deep cleanse रखते हो. So what happens जब oil बहुत ज़्यादा produce होता है around the monthly cycle, धूल मिट्टी makeup SPF already है, it clogs your pores further, it further inflames your skin, it further infects your skin, and इसकी वजह से ज़्यादा acne आती है, and इस एरिया में hormonal disruption ज़्यादा होता है. So the key is always to fix your routine, our daily health rituals. That is where the answer to most of our problems lie. You know, everybody is focusing on खाना. Actually, अभी हमारी वो ज़माना नहीं है जहाँ पे हमें खाने की प्रॉब्लम है. हमें प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हम बहुत ज़्यादा खाने पे ध्यान दे रहे हैं. We don't need to eat so much. We are all well fed. We all need to actually step back. We need to cut down. Fasting, very important. For the longest time, we kept looking down upon people जो कहते थे कि हम करवा चौथ का फास्ट करते हैं, या हम नवरात्रे का फास्ट करते हैं, या फिर हमारा ट्यूसडे का फास्ट है, मंडे का फास्ट है, एकादशी, थर्सडे, लक्ष्मी जी, शिव जी. Please be honest, we have looked down upon those people. मैं भी, I'm guilty as charged. Like I was also one of those woke people, you know, who would look down upon people. कि मतलब क्या दकियानूसी बात है, बिकॉज आफ्टर ऑल मैं भी साइंटिस्ट हूँ, यू नो, मॉडर्न साइंस की प्रीचर एंड समबडी हु फॉलोज मॉडर्न साइंस, एंड आई एम वोक एंड आई एम मॉडर्न. तो ये सारी क्या फालतू बातें हैं. आई वॉज ऑल्सो दोज पीपल, एंड नाउ the world, you know, Japanese, the Americans, the whole Western society, and all the developed economies are talking about intermittent fasting. They are talking about the importance of fasting. They're talking about autophagy. Autophagy is basically nothing but our body's ability to eat up all the dead cells, to eat up all the problematic cells, to eat up all. In short, layman language में अगर मैं बताऊँ तो autophagy is nothing but our body's own repair mechanism. वो ऐसा कुछ भी जो आपकी बॉडी में कचरा है उसको खाकर आपकी बॉडी से एलिमिनेट कर देता है. इसको कहते हैं ऑटोफेजी. एंड ऑटोफेजी जेन्युइनली किक्स इन व्हेन यू आर फास्टिंग, बिकॉज जब हम खाना खाते हैं हमारी बॉडी की पूरी एनर्जी इट गोज इन टू डाइजेस्टिंग द फूड. दैट इज़ वाई व्हेन वी ईट फूड वी फील स्लीपी आफ्टर ईटिंग फूड. आई एम श्योर यू मस्ट हैव नोटिस कि खाना खाने के बाद नींद आती है ना. नींद इसलिए आती है बिकॉज बॉडी की पूरी एनर्जी इट गोज इन टू डाइजेस्टिंग द फूड. Your body needs to have energy, your body needs to have focus, your body needs to be left alone so that it can perform to its max. इसीलिए ये फास्टिंग होती है. You need to fast. बेस्ट इज़ आप वीक में एटलीस्ट 1 से 2 बार फास्ट करें. फास्ट मतलब फास्ट लाइक कुछ नहीं खाना है. एंड इफ इट्स टू एक्सट्रीम फॉर यू देन I'd highly recommend that intermittent fasting, which is like a 14-hour window in which you eat nothing and the rest of the duration you can eat. I practice an 8-hour window, but start with 10 hours and go to 12, and then 14 is ideal. 16, perfect, sweet spot. Fasting, you will be shocked, will solve so many problems of yours. Believe me, I know, you know, it might sound like ऐसे थोड़ी हो सकता है सिर्फ खाना नहीं खाने से. सब लोग तो खाना खाने पे फोकस कर रहे हैं. ट्राई करके देखिए मेरे बोलने से 1 week. You will be shocked. In fact, this is something I also, you know, I provide a full protocol on my website. It's called the Founders Vault, wherein I discuss in details how to go about it gradually, how to warm yourself into this whole process of fasting and allowing your body to heal. A lot of people know me as, you know, somebody who is a scientist, who has this brand called 24 Skin Bank. And if you know me and if you have read about me, I'm somebody who genuinely believes that skincare can do only so much. Major काम gut का है. Skincare के लिए ensure your gut is cleansed. Skincare के लिए ensure your pores are deep cleansed. Use a light hydrating formulation which will help you rebuild your barrier. And face wash. बस इतना ही चाहिए होता है स्किन को. बाकी सारा काम एक healthy lifestyle का है. Unless you follow a healthy, mindful lifestyle wherein you don't focus so much on following a certain routine for skin, but you focus more on mindfulness, you focus more on a deeper meaning in life. Also, what is happening is, you know, skincare market इतना ज़्यादा boom हो गया है. See, I am also part of the skincare industry. अब वैसे professionally, I am a skin and tissue regeneration scientist. I have projects from lot of organizations. And I'm a practicing scientist. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं छोड़ छाड़ के बैठ गई हूँ. So, I can definitely tell you that see स्किन केयर इंडस्ट्री में क्या है that जितने ज़्यादा हम प्रोडक्ट्स लाएंगे उतना ज़्यादा ही हमारा कमर्शियल फ़ायदा है. कमर्शियली एक बिज़नेस तभी वायबल होता है जब आपके पास बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं. बट सच ये नहीं है that we need so many products. We don't need so many products. हाइजीन इज़ ऑल वन नीड्स, चाहे वो मेंटल हाइजीन है, चाहे वो बॉडी का हाइजीन है, चाहे वो फेस का हाइजीन है. प्लीज़ रिमेंबर, फेस इज़ ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी. Skin is also part of the body. Skin is the largest organ of our body. Skin is a very, very intelligent organ. It knows how to do its job. Skin protects you from everything that's external. आपको बस इतना ही करना है. जैसे अपनी गट को क्लेंस रखना है, जैसे अगर आप अपनी गट को क्लेंस रखेंगे, this much everybody knows now that if your gut is cleansed you will be healthy, right? अगर आप अच्छा खाना खाओगे, घर का खाना खाओगे, हल्का खाना खाओगे, it will be good for your body. अगर आप रोज़ नहाओगे, you ensure every day you have a bath. हफ्ते में 1 दिन या 2 दिन आप थोड़ा स्क्रब कर लिया या कोई दही उपटन ऐसा कुछ लगा लिया, your body will look good. वैसे ही फेस के लिए भी है. Why is facial skin treated so differently? Why the discrimination? And because of that only हमारे फेस की स्किन इतनी ज़्यादा ख़राब, इतनी जल्दी हो जाती है, especially for women. Because we women tend to tamper with our skin way too much. आदमियों का इतना नहीं होता है, because sadly, you know, a woman's value is judged by the way she looks, and a man, he's judged by the amount of money he makes. So women tend to be more vain. It's the truth of life, and I'm also one of those. ऐसा नहीं, I'm also a woman. I know how important it is to look good. But please try and focus on bigger things in life. And अपने फेस की स्किन के लिए बस उसको डीप क्लेंस रखो. जैसे फेशियल कराते हैं, फेशियल क्यों कराते हैं? Because you want your pores to be deep cleansed. तो you know, invest in a formulation जो आपको डेली डीप क्लेंस दे, because you cannot go to a salon on a daily basis, can you? तो घर पे अपने pores को डीप क्लेंस रखो, because you know, all the makeup, the SPF, the pollution, the dirt, the हवा. I love to be outdoors. You should go out in the sun, like धूप में जाओ. Sun is natural medicine. It heals everything. Keep your pores deep cleansed. Wash your face twice a day. Use a lightweight hydrating formulation. बस इतना ही करना है. Just like 2 steps to 3 steps maximum. दिन में 4 to 6 minutes से ज़्यादा नहीं लगाना होता है on skin care. Like nobody is so vela, you know, especially for women. You know, we have children, we have home, and then if you're working, then my God, like my heart already goes out to you, because I know how hard it is to, you know, juggle work, family, and then skincare. It is so simple, but nobody is telling you that it is really that simple, because अगर वो बता देंगे तो दुकान बंद हो जाएगी. I am willing to take that risk, because I think बहुत लोग हैं sadly in the world who are suffering from something so basic as skin issues. Like skin problems are gut inflammation. Skin issues are majorly related to your clogged pores. Skin is not difficult to solve. Skin is your first barrier, your first line of defense. Your first line of defense cannot be so weak. It cannot be so compromised कि वो हर बार हमेशा हर टाइम पे ख़राब ही रहे. Think about it, you know, that क्यों, और फेस की स्किन क्यों? स्किन तो बॉडी में भी है. Then yes, I know facial skin is, you know, more gentle, it's thinner. उसका collagen composition अलग होता है, तो वो, you know, it is yes thinner than the rest of the body. But इतनी भी thinner नहीं है that, you know, बात पे बिगड़ जाए. You know what I mean? तो अपनी स्किन को बात पे बिगड़ने से बचाइए. एंड इसके लिए कुछ नहीं करना है. इसके लिए पहली बात तो अपने घर के शीशों को हटा दो. ओके, प्लीज़ स्टॉप लुकिंग इन दोज मिरर्स, बिकॉज मिरर्स में जो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना, हमें वो भी दिख जाती है. ओके, सो प्लीज़ लाइक गेट इट ऑफ दोज मिरर्स. सारा दिन शीशों में देखना बंद करो. दिस इज़ माई स्पेशल रिक्वेस्ट टू द विमेन आउट देयर. एंड I don't know, like develop a hobby. कुछ भी करो. Like, you know, once the children go to school, we all have time. It's the truth. Like हम अपने आप को तो सच बोल सकते हैं. जब हमारे बच्चे बड़े हो जाते हैं, एक एज पहुंच जाते हैं, हमारे पास टाइम थोड़ा हो जाता है. इफ़ यू आर नॉट अ वर्किंग वूमन, तो अगर आप घर पे हैं तो घर के काम काज निपटाने के बाद अपने लिए थोड़ा सा टाइम निकालो और एक हॉबी. ओके, एनीथिंग दैट यू लाइक, इट कैन बी एनीथिंग दैट यू वांट. बस स्टे अवे फ्रॉम मेकअप. Stay away from vanity. It is killing you. We need to have a healthy mind and body. You need to be fit. You don't need to be size 0. Okay? आपको एथलीट की तरह जिम में जाके अपने आप को पनिशिंग रूटीन्स में नहीं डालने की ज़रूरत है. Our body is to help us sustain, to help us live, to help us reach an age जब हम बुढ़ापे में हमारे जोड़ में दर्द ना हो. Right? That's what we want in life. And for the women who are working, strike the balance. Move. एक्सरसाइज इज़ ओवर रेटेड. आपको रोज़ मैं आज जिम नहीं जा पा रही हूँ, आई एम नॉट एबल टू गो फॉर अ स्विम, आई डोंट हैव टाइम फॉर पिलाटिस. हनी, यू डोंट नीड पिलाटिस, यू नीड मूवमेंट. आप आधा घंटा चल सकते हो, ऑफिस में ही चल लो. कहीं किसी से ऑफिस में जाना है एंड यू फीलिंग लेजी दैट आज मेरा मूड नहीं है, कल जाएंगे, उस ऑफिस में चले जाओ. गो टू दैट डिपार्टमेंट, वॉक, क्लेंस योर गट, फिक्स योर माइंड, बी हैप्पी. स्किन केयर इज जस्ट दैट.